Welcome back to my series on shooting a short film by yourself. I challenged myself to shoot a short film solo, and I want to take you along for the journey every step of the way. If you haven't checked out the first 7 episodes, be sure to do so right after you finish this video. In the previous episodes of this series, I've detailed the process of conceptualizing shooting a short film by myself, which began with the creation of a SWOT analysis and all the way up to my last video, which was on creating a compelling synopsis. Today, we're shifting our focus to a pivotal element of this journey, the art of crafting an engaging movie title. Movie titles are often the first impression your audiences gets about your film. They set the tone and draw people in. In this video, we'll explore the key ingredients for creating a movie title that captivates and sells. So let's get into it. What's up, my Diversity and Cinema Academy fam? I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an aspiring filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your notifications. Now, before we dive into crafting a compelling title, you must understand your target audience. Who are you making this film for? What will resonate with them? These are essential questions to answer before naming your movie. Understanding your target audience before crafting a movie title is essential because it ensures that your title aligns with their expectations, emotions, and preferences. This understanding helps your film make a more significant impact and can contribute to its overall success by attracting the right viewers and effectively differentiating it from the competition. Now, if you want even more insight on understanding your target audience, be sure to check out the Diving into the Little Mermaid's target audience video, or check out my online course, Leveling Up Your Film Business, where you'll learn how to conduct market research, identify your target audience, create target audience personas, develop a comparative analysis, and build out a marketing plan, along with a host of other topics pertaining to developing a film project. Once you complete these tasks, you'll know exactly who to target, including distributors, sales agents, and consumers. So if you want to get your project started on the right foot, check out Leveling Up Your Film Business today to gain complete access to all the worksheets, spreadsheets, templates, checklists, and guides that will shortcut your filmmaking journey. I'll leave a link below. Now, let's get back to the key ingredients for a successful movie title, which include intrigue, emotion, memorability, uniqueness, and reflectiveness. These elements make your title stand out and resonate with your audience. Let's break down these key 5 ingredients further. Okay, first we're gonna start with intrigue. Your title should pique curiosity. It should evoke emotions related to your film's content. Next, the title should be memorable, a title that sticks in your audience's mind. It should also be unique, setting your film apart from the rest, and reflective, conveying the essence of your story. Also, don't forget to incorporate keywords relevant to your film in the title. Search engine optimization can help people find your work online more easily. Now, if you're finding this video valuable or have more questions about creating a compelling movie title, let's continue the conversation in the comment section below. And if you're enjoying this content, please hit that like and subscribe button. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications to stay updated with my short film journey. Now, crafting a compelling movie title takes time and effort. Here are 4 steps to help you craft a compelling movie title. The first one is start by brainstorming words, phrases, and concepts related to your film. Once you have a list, refine it, eliminating titles that don't meet the criteria we discussed earlier. Next, share your title ideas with friends or colleagues. Their feedback can be invaluable. And based on their feedback, refine your title even further. Remember, a great title can make a big difference. If you're struggling to come up with a movie title, there are tools and resources available to help you. Here are some examples. Several online title generators like Typedo, ChatGPT, NameRobot, and Cool Generator can generate movie titles based on keywords or themes. Next, they have Brainstorming, brainstorming tools. Tools like MindMeister and Miro Mind Map can help you organize your ideas and brainstorm new ones. And lastly, you can use creative writing books. Books like The Idea, The 7 Elements of a Valuable Story by Eric Bork can give you tips and techniques for coming up with movie titles. I'll leave a link below for the book. Now, to better understand what makes a great movie title, let's analyze some successful movie titles and what made them stand out. The first one we're going to do is Inception. The title Inception is intriguing and unique. It's a word that isn't commonly used in everyday language, which makes it stand out. It also reflects the film's theme of entering into someone's mind. Next is The Dark Knight. The Dark Knight is a title that evokes emotion and sets the tone for the film's dark and intense nature. It's memorable and instantly recognizable. Now, the next film is Gone Girl. Gone Girl is a title that's intriguing and reflective. It gives the audience a sense of mystery and suspense, which aligns with the film's genre. By analyzing successful movie titles, we can better understand what makes a title stand out and how we can apply these elements to our own titles. Now, based on the information we've discussed, let's analyze the title for my short film, The Cost of Silence. The genre is a thriller. The log line is a driven pharmaceutical executive grapples with the moral dilemma of exposing her company's scandal, forcing her to confront her complicity and decide whether to expose the truth or protect her career and reputation. The Cost of Silence fits the thriller genre, evoking a sense of mystery and tension. It reflects the moral dilemma central to the story, making it both emotional and reflective. The title is memorable and captivating, drawing in potential viewers. Crafting a movie title that sells is a critical step in filmmaking. By understanding your target audience and employing the elements we've discussed, you can create a captivating and memorable title that draws viewers in. Now, if you found value in this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Oh, and if you made it this far in the video, please share this affirmation in the comments. I am a master of captivating titles. Thank you for joining me on this journey of creating a compelling movie title. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on shooting a short film by yourself. Until next time, check out this video.